fixed.
It's fixed. Excellent. What happened? How did you fix it?
Something to do with carbons. It's all intricate electronic. Excuse me.
So it's working.
Yes, after fixing it, you use it to clean up what it's left behind. And you give it a good test.
How long was it broken for?
Year and a half.
So it's going to be working just fine now for you at home.
Looks like it. Looks like we're golden. Yeah. Saves bringing in that big shop vac, I'll tell you that.
How did you fix it?
It
What
was
did you do?
Something to do with carbons, right?
the brushes were not rusted, but held in place with dust.
Rugged.
Okay. So the dust from the ages froze it in place.
Was it difficult?
No. Bill, we went through it very carefully. He saw the whole process, and I bet he's going to be doing it in the next 5 years. It's not difficult, just a dozen screws, I think, like that.
So it will be good, you think, for another 5 years? Maybe?
Probably. If you look after the filtering and such. The problem with that one is I think it doesn't have very good filtering. And that's the issue.
Right.
So that dust got into the motor.
Where would the filter be typically?
It doesn't have one.
Oh, it doesn't. I see.
It doesn't have one. It's, the others, like this is, maybe it should have one. Should it have something in there? Like something that fits on top of that. It's bagless upright. It might have been, like I know that some other machines have a secondary filter right inside. You normally don't clean. All the dust settles here, you just dump.
Yeah.
But that prevents the dust from going into the motor. So there might be, look around if you see anything.
Yeah.
Or
Maybe at home there's something.
maybe some like keep it going. Because I know the one I have has two other filters. It's got a foam filter, and then at the end it's got
You only have to bring one at a time.
Well, you have to go back through the circuit. You're here early.